are the businesses you can do as a university student, be in Nigeria, Ghana, or anywhere you are as a university undergraduate student. There is always need for you to have money, and sometimes your parents might not have enough, or your guidance might not have enough money to be sending to you for your course registration, handouts, feeding, and all of that. And somehow you'll be so irritating for you to be begging money all the time. So this video is for you to start up something that can help you financially, so that you not be depending so much on your parents or on your guidance. So here are the top 20 businesses you can do as a student that will not interfere your book and your business. But the only thing I will tell you is to learn how to manage your time for you to be able to combine business and studies together. So let's dive into the business. But before then, my name is Rita Onoha. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, because I have a lot of business ideas and how you can make money online or as a student, anything relating to tech and businesses. I talk about that on my page. So number one thing you as a student can start is to start tutorial. Start tutorial. If you are good in maybe physics 101, chemistry 101, you are very good at it. Gather some of your friends, tax them to 200, 500, 1,000, and teach them this lesson. You start from there, and from there you'll be making little money for yourself. So start tutorial of any subject you are very good at. It will pay you a lot of money. Number two, drop shipping. You don't need to have a shop. All you need to is to align with those wholesalers in the market in your school environment. Get pictures from them, get videos from them. All you do is post it on your WhatsApp, post it on your social media pages. If someone indicates interest, you add little money to it and sell to them. Then you make your own money, and that is that for that. Then number three is graphic design. If a lot of people are into online businesses, they need to design flyers, they need to design poster. If you are good at that, you can be making money via graphic design. So learn it. A lot of free resources are there on YouTube. Download Canva and you can make use of those resources there. Number four is to learn how to do pastries, meat pie, egg roll, and all of this. Carry it along to your department. People will buy. A lot of students are hungry during lesson. They might not be able to go out to canteen to eat. They can easily patronize you and you make your money even as you are learning. Perfume oil business, sorry. There are a lot of fragrances, 3 mil, 10 mil, different small package of perfumes that you can make 100%, 200% profit on the perfume business if you get started. You can start with a little amount of 5,000, 10,000. You can start up an oil perfume business and you'll be getting a lot of money from there. All right. So another thing we are going to talk about, number 16, is selling of uniform. You know, in some department, they'll say Monday we are wearing white, Tuesday we are wearing red. You have some departmental wear. Why not buy it for your department and add little money to it, instead of your colleagues or instead of your fellow students to be going to market to look for that? They can easily patronize you, and that you have made money for yourself. All right, so that is that. The another thing is selling of stationaries and sanitaries. You can do this in your hostels. You can be selling pen, biro, pad. People are buying this. I did this business when I was in school. I sold part from my year 1 to the final year. Even when I'm not around, my roommate to help me sell it. So you can buy all these things, go to the wholesale shops, get it, add your money and sell it. You'll be having little money on daily basis to pay for your transport to your department. One, all right. So nail tech or makeup. Learn how to make up. Students, girls will patronize you to fix their nails and all of that. Do that in your hostels, and people will come and be patronizing you. Then laundry service is another one. Laundry service is another one. You can render services of washing people's clothes down to their sneakers. People can pay you for washing their sneakers. Somebody like me, I wear white sole sneakers. If I see someone that is willing to wash it for me, I can pay the person wash it fine. Wash your clothes and all of that. So that is that for laundry service. The another business you can do, which is the 10th one, is selling of phone cases. You can import or you can buy from wholesalers Yeah, and you sell it to your friends, your hostel members, and all of that. Do you get? So it's another business, selling of phone cases, and the people make a lot of money from it. Then cutting of hair. If you're a guy, you can cut hair during holiday. Maybe you must have learned how to do this business. You can employ it, get your clipper in your hostel, cut guys hair, and they pay you for that. If you cut 3 to 4 hairs, you're making 1,000. That is 4,000 in a day. It's a good money as a student, so learn that. The another one for the ladies is learn how to make hair. Learn how to, even though you can't braid, learn to fix wig, make wig. You can sell hair too. You don't really need to buy this hair by yourself. At source, look for wholesalers in your area, get their pictures and their videos, post it in your social media page. Drop ship hair for people. They will pay you and you make a lot of money. It is not advantage for you if you know how to braid, if you know how to fix. People will come for your services. All right. So another one is the 13th one is a thrift business or krika business, and people call it thrift. It's very good now. A lot of people are into thrift. They sell thrift of hair, shoes, clothes, bags, and all of that. And there is a lot of money in that business. So I want you to look into these businesses. Look for anyone you can do. And another one is recharge card business. I did that when I was in school. But people say, "Ah, they buy in bank." But today people are still making it. You can still sell it and make a lot of money. All right. So number 15 we are going to be talking about is being a content creator. You can be a content creator on YouTube, can be a content creator on Instagram, TikTok. Just look for one area of concentration, make a content about it, and with time as you grow, if you hit 1,000 subscriber or 4,000 watch hour on YouTube, people will start paying you in dollars. So there are a lot of things you can do as a student, and it takes time to grow. All right. So let's move to the 16th one, is become a social media marketer. You can market things on social media. If you are very good, you as a social person, you can market for other companies and they will pay you. So being a social media marketer, don't just go to TikTok to dance and cash crows. Use that platform to make money. This number 17th one is affiliate marketing. This is what a lot of students are using to make money. I also do that. You can send me a message for me to coach you on how to get started as an affiliate marketer. A lot of people are making millions of money, 7 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit every week from this business. And high percentage of them are students. They are making a lot of money from it. So why not you learn how it works and you also make your money by yourself? The number 18th one is home lesson. I did that when I was in school. I schooled in Unizik in Anambra State University. So I used to go out in those estates close to school. I have 3 families I was doing lecture for their children then in primary school and secondary school. And at the end of the month, they will pay me. So these are little things you do to support yourself in school. So you do home lesson, teach those little ones, they will pay you. The another thing you can do is selling of bags. I've already talked about it. Might be new bags, old bags, thrift one. People, all you need, get pictures of these things. Use your social media and make a lot of money for yourself. Then the 19th one, if I'm not mistaken, get a part-time job as a student. You can work in restaurants, you can work in filling station, you can work in an establishment as a part-time worker. So these are the little things you need to do to help yourself. In Nigeria today, or I'm doing these videos from Nigeria. Nobody is nobody will save you. You just have to start early. And by the time you graduate from school, that's when your eyes will open that all those 10,000, 5,000 they used to send to you when you were in school, nobody cares. But if you are built on something when you were in school, when you graduate, while you're waiting for a job, you can still be doing those little business and be helping yourself. So the last one is t-shirt branding. You can sort out for people that do t-shirt branding. They will crest on it and you make your money. There are a lot of businesses to do as a student. You do not have to depend solely on your parents to give you money to meet your needs in school. If you have found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video where I'll be teaching you a lot to learn about business.